Good morning, my dear students. Now I am going to explain about 9th class lesson, our Earth. So before going to topic, I will explain you basics regarding on Earth. Where we are living, on Earth we are living. Earth is one of the planet. How many planets we have? You know very well. 8 planets. Among the 8 planets, Earth also one of the planet. Only life is available on Earth. If you open your textbook, then you may observe one image. That image taken from the space. Carl Sagan, a scientist, what he told, total human history presented a small circle dotted with yellow circle, dotted with yellow line. Total human history happened, so life happened in that particular circle. Who told? Carl Sagan, a scientist. That image given in your textbook. See here, the earth. Earth means actually Greek word eroth, meaning what? Eroth meaning ground, soil or dry land. If you take Sanskrit, it has having multiple meanings. Earth having the multiple meanings. Prithvi, Avani, like that different meanings we have in Sanskrit. Do you understand? I think so. Nearly 1 lakh years ago, how many years ago? 1 lakh years ago, human beings arrived on Earth. They constantly change their lives. Like many other animals on Earth, they live better than them. Who? Human beings. They constantly made the changes on Earth. Who? Human beings. Okay, na? Then they afterwards what they felt, Earth was the full of resources. We have to use the resources properly. That's why they exploited the resources on Earth. Who exploited? Human beings. Okay, na? Then these created conflicts. Okay, so what happened, later point of time, environmental crisis occurred. What is environmental crisis? I will explain you. Our reckless exploitation of the earth has meant the destruction of forests, rivers, hills, human beings, fellow animals and fellow human beings. All together we can say environmental crisis. It leads to global warming. Do you understand? What is environmental crisis? Our reckless exploitation of the earth has meant the destruction of forests, rivers, then hills, fellow animals and even fellow human beings. It leads to global warming. If globe is warming up, that is called as global warming. Do you understand? Then our universe, the sun and the earth. In this topic now I am going to explain. So earlier human beings, they saw on sky, then they are seeing the object shines on the sky. Who? Human beings. So regularly while going to sleep they observe the sky, then they observe the stars, everything they observe. Afterwards, scientists noted down what is happening on the sky. Generally, stars, then planets, we called as, these are all, so where these are all presented, universe. Okay, na? Do you understand? I think so. Then we have galaxies. All together, these are all called as galaxies. Millions of galaxies are presented on sky. Isn't it or not? Tell me. Okay, na? They observed. Who? Human beings. Earlier human beings observed on the sky. They noted down everything. Initially what they felt, earth is the center of all the planets. They felt like that. But later point of time, 500 years ago, then what they thought, earth is not the middle of everything. Which is the middle of everything? Sun is the middle of everything. They understood like that. That is heliocentric theory. Okay, do you understand? I think so. Then, during the last 100 years ago, then what they propagated, okay, what they figured out, who scientists, stars are born, grow, even die. Stars are born, grow, even die. How many years ago they figured out? 100 years ago. Okay, they figured out this statement. 500 years ago, Earth was not the middle of everything. They found out that statement, that theory. Then universe. When universe was started nearly 13.7 billion years ago, universe was started. If you see the planets, okay now, then everything, these are all part and parcel of universe. Do you understand? I think so. Then Earth as a planetary body. Okay now, Earth as a planetary body. Earth, just now I explained you, Earth is one among the planets. Where life is existed, on Earth life is existed. Do you understand? Then what happened? So Earth, okay, through the several phases, it reached its present position. Which one? Earth. Okay. If you wanted to find out the distance between Earth to Sun, Earth's farthest point is 152 million kilometers. Earth's farthest point is 152 million kilometers. Farthest means then longest distance. Closest point is 147 million kilometers. 147 kilometers. In your textbook, okay, then 3 images given. Circular shape, elongated path, scaled path. Okay na? A, B, C images given. Actually, you see, suppose this is Sun. The planets are moving around the Sun. Earth position is third. This is orbit. Orbit is nothing but a path. Based on this path, Earth is moving. Earth is moving around the Sun. This is called revolution. Earth is moving its own axis. At the same time, Earth is moving around the Sun. If suppose Earth is moving its own axis, that is called rotation. You know very well, due to the rotation, day and nights are causing. During the revolution, which is causing, seasons are causing. Okay na? Do you understand? I think so. Then here, Earth's farthest point, 152 million kilometers. So this is oval shape based on this orbit. Okay na? So based on this orbit, Earth is moving around the Sun. Okay na? Oval path. Generally this is called as oval path. Okay. Like that, every planet having their own orbits. For example, if for one rotation to complete one round, how many days it take? Earth's point of view, 365, 1/4 days it will take to complete one rotation. Okay na? So one round, not rotation, one round. That is called revolution. So nearly 1 year. Regarding which planet we are discussing? Earth. So Earth point of view, to complete one round, it takes 365, 1/4 days. Nothing but 1 year. Okay now, due to that, seasons are forming. Just now I told you. That is called revolution. Okay now, how it is moving, Earth is moving by based on this. What is this? Path. Okay now. So this is called, which path? Its shape is oval shape. Okay now, it is not axis, path. So shape is oval. Do you understand? I think so. So orbit, that is called orbit. Orbit is nothing but a path. Okay. Then Earth's farthest point 152 million kilometers. Closest point 147 kilometers. So Earth moving around the Sun with a speed of 1,07,200 kilometers per hour. Okay, na? Earth moving around the Sun with a speed of 1,07,200 kilometers per hour. That is very, very important examination point of view. At the farthest point 152 million kilometers from the Sun. Closest point 147 million kilometers from the Sun. Farthest point 152 million kilometers from the Sun. Closest point 147 million kilometers from the Sun. The evolution of the Earth. Evolution means through the different phases, this phase we reached. Okay, for example, Earth formed 4.5 billion years ago. Universe formed 13.7 billion years ago. 13.7 billion years ago. Human beings arrived on Earth 1 lakh years ago. 100 years ago, what happened? Scientists thought stars will burn, die, okay, even, okay, live. Such a statement they given 100 years ago. So 500 years ago, what happened? Earth is the not middle of everything. They figured out that theory. Then evolution of the Earth. Earth was formed 4.5 billion years ago. Okay. Present shape. We are seeing the present shape of the Earth. We are seeing the continents. Continents having, each continent having their own shape. Contains its own shape. Through different phases, several phases, it's reached its present shape. Actually, by that time, initially, Earth was in molten, okay, formation, molten stage. That means liquid form. Molten stage means liquid form. Different gases presented on Earth. Suppose, I will give one example. Okay, now, so how evolution took place at the point of view, I will give one example. Suppose your mother making some soup. By that time, what she will do, she will add some substances. Okay, now. So then vessel she will keep on the, okay, gas. Okay. After some time, what will happen? Lighter particle will reach the top position. Then heavier substances will reach the bottom. Do you understand? Earlier, Earth was in which condition? Molten condition. Molten means liquid form. Okay, na? Then like that, heavier substances reached the bottom part. You compare this one with the Earth. Then lighter particles reached the top part. After reaching the top part, it will cools down. Okay, it will form one layer. Okay, it will form one layer. Cream of layer. Generally, it is called as cream of layer. That cream of layer called as crust. Okay, na? Then afterwards, down part also cools down. It contracted. It created ridges. Okay, na? It created ridges, mountains. Then afterwards, oceans presented. Such a way on Earth, oceans formed, mountains formed due to the, okay, na, formations taken place on inner part of the Earth surface through several phases. Then ridges, then mountains, okay, oceans, everything existed on Earth. Okay, so that is evolution of the Earth. So earlier, so Earth was which form? Molten form, liquid form. By that time, human beings not existed. So by that time, poisonous gases spreaded. How now we are living? By breathing the oxygen. By that time, oxygen not presented on Earth. After several phases, then oxygen presented on Earth. Then afterwards, what happened? Especially some bacteria, okay, now existed in oceans. Then afterwards, on Earth, life existed. Do you understand? Okay, this is the background of evolution of Earth. So, at the first time, human beings, that means millions of years ago, human beings not existed on Earth. Okay na? So it cools down, molten lava cools down, afterwards some layers formed, okay na, different gases formed, afterwards then oxygen developed on earth, then human beings arrived. This is the evolution of the earth. Do you understand? Okay.